Folks, at Marchant Chevrolet today, we're looking at 2012 Chevy Impala. Get a good look. This one's dark blue in color, navy blue, alloy wheels. Let's look at the stickers here. No dealer add-ons such as rust proofing, paint sealant, undercoating, closing, or dock fees. That's right, folks, no closing or dock fees. Gets 30 on the highway, 18 in the city. Okay, I'm sure you're very familiar with what an Impala looks like, but we want to make sure you've seen one, so if you haven't, watch this video. You can also run the flex fuel in here, E85 ethanol. Go to marchantchevy.com for more information about this vehicle. We have plenty of them available. Let's take a look at the interior. This one does come with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cloth seating on the inside, cruise control, audio functions. If you have a smartphone device, you got an auxiliary hookup right there to the far right, CD player as well. Wow, smells good, nice and clean. All new vehicles at Marchant Chevy are $98 over factory invoice. Let me have you take a look here. MSRP at the top is $26,680. Invoice plus $98 is $26,115. $3,500 rebate, $22,615. Wow. That is a really good savings for you folks. Come out here and see us at Marchant Chevy in Ravenel, South Carolina.